How to find Chase credit card number on Chase app. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you through the steps in order to do so. So let's just get started. So for that, what you can do is go ahead and open up the Chase application on your device. Go ahead and open it up and log in into your account. And on your main home screen, you can easily find the cards that you have within Chase. You may just go ahead and tap on one of the credit card whose account number you would like to view. After you go ahead and open it up, you will be finding various details about the credit card. So what you need to do from here is go ahead and look out for the three dot within the credit card. You will be finding a card picture, and right beside the pay card, we have a three dot. Go ahead and tap on it, and more options menu appear on your screen. So select the option called See Statements, and Statements and Documents page opens up on your screen. And select the option called Statements and open it up. Once you open it up, you just need to go ahead and view one of the statement available here. Just go ahead and view it. And once you do, there it will show you the documents related with your transaction and everything. Including that, it will also include your credit card number, the account number for your credit card. So you may just go ahead and look out for the one that you're looking for, and that is it. So that is it for today's video. I hope this information was helpful to you. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.